Yo 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 yo. What is up, guys? KhasiBoy is back with another reaction video, guys. Man, I think I'm loving doing these reaction videos. Yes, so in today's video I'm gonna do a reaction video on the song called Pour It Up, Shane X Stunnah Beatz featuring Dappest and P.R Beats, Northeast India. Yes! Man, this is my first time watching the video, so let's go, guys. Let's do this. Come on. Okay. Wow. Wow, I love that. Wow. Damn. Sounds good.
Don't be telling your friends about it. When I'm on your body.
Wow. Oh my god. What a voice, guys. That voice is dope. Man, I love that voice. Damn it, I want to listen to it.
Let me see that. I don't want no problem. After we get out the shower, we gon' have a party, yeah.
R&B style, yo.
Your glass high, girl, pour it up.
Man, I can't believe this. This song is really good. Damn.
Pour it up, 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 pour it up.
Man, who is this guy? Is he Shane or Shane Stunnah Beatz? Comment down below.
Whatever you want, there ain't no brains kind of love.
Wow.
Get tough and count your brains kind of love. That ain't kind of love. Let me earn whatever you want, girl.
Damn.
You're the one.
Lagay kasar.
This is not just a phase, girl, we made it. Wanna start over with you. I'm coming over your place, girl, I'm jaded. Wanna try something new. Ooh. Don't be telling your friends about it. When I'm on your body, spread your legs, let me see that.
Oh, so bang pala.
When we get out the shower, we gon' have a party, yeah. Come, raise your glass high, girl, pour it up, pour it up.
Oh, I know that place. Is that State Central Library? Oh, Dappest. Wow. What a voice. I love his voice too. Really sick voice. Damn. Man, these guys are like professionals. What a song.
You know you thinking about the times I called you baby. I'm in the mood. Let's make a move. What you wanna do? What you got to lose? Can you do you like I do you in the lights?
Wow. I love that editing style. Like, look.
Can you like I put your loud scream on? Baby girl, don't put no pressure on.
Let me see that again.
The song's sweet, pressure on it. The song scream. Can you like I put your
I love that. Wow.
Don't put no pressure on it. The song's for you. Yeah. Know the vibes, can you ride in the front seat? Saw the spark in your eyes when you touch me. 30 more seconds of the soundtrack.
Wow, these guys are dope, man.
Seconds till we climax. You did. Don't be telling your friends about it. When I'm on your body, spread your legs, let me see that. I don't want no problem. After we get out the shower, we gon' have a party, yeah. Come, raise your glass high, girl, pour it up, pour it up.
Wow! Oh, dope song. Damn it. Wow, guys. What a song. So so good. Do you guys like the song? Wow, guys should like it. It's really amazing. Wow, like this song should be on the top, you know, like it should be international, man. International. International love. Yeah, man, what a song. I love everything about the song. The video, the editing. Man, these guys are like professionals. Like, whoa, man. It's really nice to see our own people like they're growing, rising up, you know, like we should love them, support them, you know. Man, these guys are so great. Te parlok kwa mawan kran khasiru. Mde bang so start kran pareng ma. Mde kwa hi ba kram kiwe rukin small thu kan kiwe bom de khasi. Padao te shuwa ban ong ne ba itanat ban small tanat kan ban I ki para chat ban rio jini ma. Ba ki yo ki buat ki sab but ikio shaprang te ngideban yero iki bat ngideban ai ka jing kershan kan iki ma. Huge thumbs up. So if you guys want to see the official music video, link in the description below, and I'm gonna end my video, guys. So ending my video. See you guys in another video, and always remember to like and hit the subscribe button, man. It's down here, or here, might be here or here. Okay, so yeah, thank you, lots of love, bye bye.